Okay, ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we are going to talk about the straight line, or we can simply call it the linear function. Straight line or linear function. A linear function can be written in the form of f of x equals ax plus b, where both a and b are your constant. Now you know x is a variable where a is gradient and b is your vertical, or you can say y intercept, vertical or y intercept. So this is our linear function. We can plot some simple graphs that this is x and this is y. If the value of a is positive, then your line will have the following shape. If the value of a is negative, your line will have this shape. A is positive, a is negative. And if the value of a is constant, then your graph will be a simple straight line. A is equal to constant. Now we'll further talk about the straight line and its different properties and functions. Before this, let's do some examples. We have example 1. We have a function y equals 7x plus 2. We have to find its gradients. As we know from general equation, a is your gradient, so the gradient of this equation will be simply 7. And what will be the y intercept? Y intercept will be simply 2. So from this equation we can find the y intercept and gradient of this linear function. Okay ji. This is a single point equation. Now let's suppose if we have 2 points, say this is a xy coordinates x and this is y. We have this is 1 point and this is our second point, and a line is passing through these points. And this is origin. Let's suppose this is point A, x1 and y1, and this is point B, x2 and y2. Now we have to find the gradient between these 2 points. This is a straight line, so we will call it gradient of line through 2 points, or gradient of line passing through 2 points. So the gradient of a line passing through 2 points will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we want to find the gradient between 2 points, that will be simply y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's have some example. We have 2 points, one is A, that is 0 and 3, and second point is B with coordinates 4 and 5. We have to find the gradient of these 2 points. Gradient will be simply is equal to y2 minus y1. This is y2 5, this is y1 3 over this is x2 and this is x1. That will be 5 minus 3, 2 by 4. So the answer will be 1 by 2. The gradient of 2 points of a line passing between these 2 points will be 1 by 2. This is a very simple example. Now we need to find the equation of line. We know that this is a line and this is passing through these 2 points. We have value of this point A and value of this point V, and we want to find the equation of line passing through these points. So the general formula for equation of line is y minus y1 over y2 minus y1. This equals x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. We can further simplify it. We can write it like y minus y1 equals x minus x1 over x2 minus x1